Hi everyone, I'm OS and you are watching my channel teachtecsoft. Today we'll talk about identify the different tool used to modify tables in Microsoft PowerPoint. So we need to check it how we'll create a table in Microsoft PowerPoint and we'll see the tools, okay, when we are using it to modify our tables, okay. So just a minute. As you can see on your computer screen right now, I have this exercise, okay. In this exercise, you can see here in the first point, identify the different tools used to modify tables in Microsoft PowerPoint. And the second point is open PowerPoint, make a presentation or different things you do on your computers and tables and charts in the presentation and insert smart art and shapes in different slides. And in the D point, complete and save the presentation. And the last thing is here, print the presentation. So first I will open it PowerPoint, that one, okay, in which we will open it blank presentation. Now, if you want to write anything in the title, so I will write here tables in PowerPoint and tools. Now you can see here there is a red underline this PowerPoint. So I will click here and I'll change this one. Now after that I need to create a new slides, okay, with title and content. So I will click here in slides. There is a new slides, click on it. And you can see here there are so many office themes, okay, slides, title slide, title contain, section header to contain comparison title blank and so on. So I need to open it title and contain. Now I will write here table. So what we are doing here, I need to create a 3 into 3 tables, okay, here, or 4 into 4, okay, because I need to create a table in which I need to write some names and they are making some slides on different topics. So I need to create a table on it, okay. So let's see. So I will click here and go to the insert button and go to the tables. Now you can see here there are so many box. If you will see here, it's creating a table. If I will go on it, okay, 4 into 4 tables because I need to create, or 3 into 4. So I need to create a 3 into 4 tables. Here I need to write a student name, and here on what topic we need to create a slides and quantity, how many slides are there in a point. So I will write here. So Abdullah created 2 slides on English subject, okay, or English topic. Ali creating 4 slides on mathematics. Muhammad creating 5 slides on ICT, okay. So now you can see here there are so many things, table style, shading, borders, effect. So I will go on it, table layouts here, okay. Now you can see here there are so many things, view grid lines, delete if you want to delete this one, insert above row, okay, if you want to insert anything here. So you need to select only first thing, okay. For example, I need to select this one. If I'll click here, you can see here I inserted one row above this table, but I don't need it. If you, same thing with the insert below, insert left, insert right, so you can insert the things as you like. Same thing with, I need to merge two cells. So what should I do? I need to select two things and merge cells. So it become a one cell right now, but I don't need it. Same thing with the split. If you want to split two cells, and height and width, how many heights do you need it? So first I need to select all the things here. Look at that. If I will write here 1, then I will click here. So you can see here it's change or resize the size of cells. Okay, same thing with the width if you want it. And now we will see here the alignment of the text in this table. Okay, from here right now it's left align. If you need to center align, you need to click here. If you need to right align, click here. On the top of side it's already there. In the middle, if you need to click here. Same thing with that. If you need to bottom align on the right side. Okay, but I needed this one, center align, and in the middle it's look better. Now set left to right table. Okay, if you want to, and the direction of the text as you like. Okay, these are the things. Horizontal, rotate all text, rotate all text 270 degrees, stacked. Okay, and so on. But I need it horizontal only. And cells margin and table size, you can change it from here. So it's done. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. And please subscribe my channel and click on the like button. Okay, goodbye, see you later, have a nice day.